अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे चैनल रिसेंट टूर में खुश आमदीद। तमाम नए आने वाले दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल रिसेंट टूर को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, साथ लगे बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हर मालूमाती वीडियो आप तक बवक्त आसानी पहुंचती रहे। चलते हैं जी मैं अपना टॉपिक की तरफ। 25 टिप्स एवरी एप्पल वॉच ओनर शुड नाउ whether you are just starting out with the Series 7 or have owned at Apple smartwatch of years. You quick tips will help you make the most of the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch may not be a powerful as an iPhone or iPad, but it offers a lot of awareness for such a small packages depending on which Apple Watch mode you own. There are valid of the setting tweak and activities to perform from listening to music and tracking your workout to monitorization your heart rate and viewing your photo. Below are our top tips for Apple Watch owner, whether you have the latest series 7 or an older model. You have likely tried some of the future before, but there are still likely some tasks you not know your smartwatch could perform. perform. Listen to music. Apple Music with, with an Apple Watch running Watch OS 5.1 or higher, you can listening on music on your watch, including sound album playlist and Apple radio station from Apple Music if you are subscribed, as well as apps such as Shopify, Pandora, and iHeart Radio. To set this up, first connect your Apple's headphone or speaker via Bluetooth. Open Apple Music app on the watch to sweep out your library music from the play. You can play remuse, skip skip, go to back and control the volume with the built-in radio feature. You can turn into Apple Music, open in a new window and create news and music stations. Third party music app will need to be downloaded through the App Store on the watch. Apple Apple has its own podcast Apple that lets you download podcast on your iPhone and listen to them on Apple and Apple Watch running Watch iOS 5 on higher. If you have LTE Apple Watch, you can listen to podcast without hopping onto a neighbor Wi-Fi network. Open the podcast app on your watch to sweep out your library of subscribed podcast or individual apps apps from the podcast player. You can players remuse jump header 30-second, go back 15-second, alert the speed and change the volume. You can also play podcast from your phone using your watch as the controller. Track your workout Apple's